Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and you're gonna be watching a series of videos. I'm working on my front of my lawn. As you can see, right now I just cut the bushes. I gave them a good trimming, as you can see from the front over there. I do have some places where they do need to be improved. Okay, I'm also working on the lawn. It's going a little dry right now, but we're going through a little bit of drought down here in Texas. Okay, so as also you can see, uh, I have to work on the front of the house as far as the facade goes, and I'm also working on doing some really good landscaping ideas. So there we go for the work on the house over here. All right. As you can see, also front of the entrance, adding some more flowers, hanging pots, plants. Right. So subscribe to my channel and look for my YouTube playlist, sprucing up the front entrance, and you will see everything that is going to happen for the front entrance. Thanks a lot for watching this quick video. I really appreciate it. You guys have a good one, and bye.